that blackbird, in the Philippines we call it uwak. Uwak, yeah.
Same. Uwak.
Uwak also. Okay, same. Here in Malaysia, there's so many. Yeah, many.
You see my car very.
Yeah. Here, so many in the here in Malaysia, they are not afraid of people, right? Yeah. In the Philippines, they already fly away, all of them, when they saw people. But here, so many. So many. Oh, turtle. Wow, what's that bird?
The monkey here.
Where? Sleeping?
Yeah.
Again? What do you call that in... What is that bird? In Malay? The turtle in Malay, kura-kura. Kura-kura. Kura-kura.
Angsa.
This one?
Angsa.
Angsang?
Angsa.
Hello, hippopotamus. So yeah. Wow, that's a very big one. The hippopotamus, so big. See the hippopotamus? Yeah. Hello. Hey, here I am. Look here. Cannot see me? I will see you. Already finished?